Welcome back to our channel. Now we are on question number 2. I must say this question is strange because it doesn't like any paper fee or the over the map stuff. Okay, it's just like some counting games. Okay, first of all, we have this quadratic equation ABC. ABC, what are they? A six-sided die. Okay, roll them out and get the number 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so all ABC 1 to 6. Okay. And that's it. They even have an illustration 2v5, then 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Okay. So first of all, so that there are 216 possible quadratic function. Of course, okay. 6 times 6 times 6, right? So it's 216. Next one, the coefficient is 144, okay? And then show that only one intercept. It's a guide question for question C, okay? So remember b squared minus 4ac equals 0. And then they want to show that only one intercept. So assume you don't know what is this, okay? Plug in the data. 4 squared minus 414. Bingo, 0. So one intercept, okay? One words, okay? So following this concept, b squared minus 4ac equals 0, okay? It means b squared equals 4ac is the one intercept requirement. So look at here, by considering the discriminant or otherwise, so that the probability of the graph of a randomly generated quadratic function has one x-intercept, it means that b squared equals 4ac, okay? How many possible case? 5. Total is 260. 5. Only 5 possible. So for difference B, easier start with this one. You count from 1 to 6 and then you count out for each scenario how many AC are possible. And then you can, after counting, you'll find out just 5 is possible. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, it is a very hard-working question, so it is quite good. Okay, because we always expect it to be very complicated, but now it's just easy, just counting game. Okay, so we start from b equals 1. Okay, really write it down in your answer booklet. B equals 1, and then look at here. 1 equals 4ac. Impossible, right? A and C is a 1 to 6, so impossible. Yeah, so don't look at it. Okay, so how about B equals 2? Really hardworking. Okay, 2 squared equals 4ac. So AC equals 1. What are the possible case? Yes, just one case. A equal 1, C equal 1. So one cases. So continue our journey. B equals 3. But relax. 3 squared equals 4ac. 9 equal 4ac. Impossible. Odd number, real number. Right? So impossible. 0 case again. B equals 4. Even number should have some. Right? So 4 squared equals 4ac. So AC equal 4. What are the cases? Okay. So A equals 1, C equals 4, right? A equals 2, C equals 2. A equals 4, C equals 1. Remember, list them out all together. So 3 cases. So 1, 3. Oh, we still have one more. Okay, look at will be 5. No. Odd number, even number again, right? 5 squared equal 4ac, odd and even, right? Impossible. Last one, b equals 6, please. Just give me one result, please. 6 squared equals 4ac. 36 over 4 is lie. Lie equals ac. Any case? Yes, 3, 3, right? Oh, bingo, relax. Relax. So we have altogether 5 cases. So probability is a 5 over 216. Wow, really hard. But stay cool because next question has still more counting than this one. But we can still do it, okay? Well done. See you for next question.